2 times your head
If
turn
my head
for
go
me.
so, me nah go sneeze good. I saw me head fi turn cause if me sneeze.
Hold me close till I get up.
I hope you guys can hear me cause my camera audio is fucked up. Guys, I'm gonna do a sneezing prank on live. We're going on the road now. So I find this spritz bottle. Me catch some water in it. I'm gonna put it in my handbag. So when we're on the road, I'm gonna pretend as if I wanna sneeze. I'm gonna take it out the bag and try to hide it. So when I sneeze, I spray it in his face. Guys, stay tuned for this prank. I did want a smaller bottle, but I couldn't find one. I just found this big spritz bottle. So this is what I'm gonna use. So stay tuned for this sneeze prank and comment down below, like the video, subscribe if you're new, turn on the post notification bell so when we drop a video you won't miss it. Stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be epic. What's up, guys? How you doing? Just saying hi to you guys, doing a little vlog. Say hi to the fans now.
Boom, bang, bang. We out here. I'm just focused on the road. That's all.
I smell pure dust.
Today's the last day of freedom until we're locked down.
Yeah. Wednesday again, guys. Everyone is locked down. No movement day tomorrow until Wednesday.
I hope everyone has enough food and water and everything. Whole lot of safety and love to everyone, you feel me? Word. Life is real. We just gotta stay focused, that's all. And maintain, you feel me?
Yeah.
Word.
Turn on music, my favorite play.
Word.
Oh my god, guys, it is so hot. We just rushed to get some alkaline water for the system, you know. We have to be drinking a lot of water during this pandemic.
For sure.
Yeah. To keep hydrated.
Well, I'm on my way home to blaze up. I'm gonna roll a fat gum spliff with a nice Magnum tonic wine. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's right.
You ever want to sneeze and it can't come out?
Oh,
You ever want to sneeze and it can't come out, baby? Yeah.
So you want to sneeze and it can't come out?
You sneeze, higher? Eh? Me just sneeze on you? Me say me sneeze by you a while ago.
So you don't know which direction you just sneezed a while ago.
True it a come out, me don't know where to turn me
You just
head.
keep up your foot. Well, continue with the bullshit. Gone from vlog to the stupidness.
No, but me don't know me a sneeze. So.
Well, no sneeze this way. Look on the wall over there so you have. No, do no more vlog with you, man. From one thing
Wait,
to
no,
the
baby.
next. Wait for
Yeah,
what?
rush, so.
Wait for what?
Cause you nearly going on,
Me
man.
no see that. Me no see that. Me no see that. That's why I know you are a driver, man.
Place where you just got dusty. Eh? Cause me don't know me a sneeze, so.
Well, sneeze that way, there you know if you sneeze.
Cause I saw me head turn.
2 times your head
If
turn
me head
for
go
me.
so, me nah go sneeze good. I saw me head fi turn cause when me sneeze so the wind a go bring in back his sneeze pan you.
Just sneeze man. That's all.
Awa.
You ask me how for? What you ask me for? Me not do nothing. Why you asking me how?
You go on like little sneeze or something. Nose a itch me. You done do it, blood?
Space over the stuff.
Eh?
Sneeze, yeah, sneeze.
What? Then suppose me can't control his sneeze. What me fi do?
Cover your mouth. My dad didn't teach you. Cover your mouth. Put your
So me
two
no go
hands
so?
over your face.
Me go so.
All I do
me
is
put-
yell in my ears. I can't take it right. Anything you want, do you do it.
So you not vex through me sneeze by
No,
you?
me not vex
Why?
none at all. Because you could have turn your head so. So intentional you do it. That's why I'm not vex. Because you do it for spite.
And you not care if something do me and me sneeze by you?
No. And you wouldn't be the wicked. And you wouldn't be wicked because you know say something do you and you sneeze.
What do me?
It do me too.
What do me? Me just sneeze.
Yeah, but you just made a statement and I just answered
Yeah,
it.
so you say you not vex because me
Yeah,
sneeze by
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Suppose something do me and me sneeze.
That
catch
means
you.
say you do it for purpose.
No, I mean
sneeze
not
palm
do it
me
for
me
purpose,
catch
but you're
where
not
you have.
angry or nothing.
Me never prevent it. So if me
Awa.
yo, forget about it. Bummer rascal. You just a sneeze in a man's face like you're an idiot.
Yeah, be me nah do nothing wrong.
Touch nothing, man. Soon reach me out. Can't go wipe up and do anything.
You done it, vlog?
No, nothing about no vlog, man. You done a vlog? Or you
No.
turn on camera, boy, you do vlog. So if you're done, you're done.
Go on angry too.
It's my business.
So y'all forget.
Don't forget nothing. If you forget sitting, I feel your business done.
It's just a prank. That spray sitting here, me did
So why you still a spraying on my face?
a water in I.
I don't know water.
Me throw the a super old spritz did in it. Little tip did in there, me throw it out.
Yeah, alright. You know if you keep on a squirt me with this something. Man.
Oh my god, I got you. Everything you vex over. Boy, you're not vexed through me sneeze. Boy, you could never be vexed. You guys don't if you not vexed. Oh my god. The first me see a woman sneeze on a man and he's not angry. Hulk. You're not hungry, baby? Eh? Eh?
Kalangin naman.